This pose is a lot less about your back than you might think. For most people in this pose, when they get here and they're like, uh-oh, I'm stuck, my back is too tight, what's actually restricting is shoulders. And opening up your shoulders can be super helpful. Secondly, having your fingers pointing at your shoulders makes it a lot harder on your wrists. In the fingers back position, we have a deep degree of wrist extension, which is not possible for a lot of us. Turning your hands out makes it so there's less of a demand on your shoulders and your wrists. And secretly, this pose is driven by your legs. Sending your chest back is powered by legs driving into the ground and pushing the rest of your body in the opposite direction. If you're sick of not being exactly sure what is going on in yoga class, my no bullshit yoga pose library breaks down the nitty-gritty details of over 90 yoga poses so that you never have to ask yourself, what am I doing in yoga class ever again? Click the link below in the description to get access to my super sneaky discount on my no bullshit yoga pose library so you can feel like a badass on your mat and stop wondering what the heck you're supposed to do. I've got you.